Senator Tommy Tuberville making headlines for commenting on an Islamic school's proposed relocation to Hoover. Tuberville spoke on Right Side Radio yesterday, supporting the city's refusal to allow the school to move. And he spoke on the War Room podcast today, doubling down on his comments. Here's a listen.
We're at war in this country with all the people that have come here from all over the world. And listen, we love immigration. We're all a part of an immigrant family one time or the other. But a lot of people come here and they want to assimilate. They want to go by our laws. They want to go by our Constitution. They want a better life. Not the group coming here from the Muslim countries. They're coming here with an agenda. This is World War III, okay? And it's going to be on our soil. And it's coming so fast, within 5 or 10 years, it is going to be way out of control. We have a prime example of this, Europe. Europe is gone. And they will have to fight in the streets to get it back, and that's coming.
The Islamic school's assistant principal condemned Tuberville's statement, saying anti-Muslim rhetoric like his raises safety concerns for her students.